Welcome back to English Learning. Before starting the video, if you have not subscribed to my channel, then please click on the subscribe button and bell icon to get all the latest updates. In this video, I will tell you how to write a diary entry. So, what is a diary entry? डायरी राइटिंग और डायरी एंट्री पर्सनल टोन में लिखी जाती है। अपनी फीलिंग्स, एक्सपीरियंस, डिस्क्रिप्शन और नरेशन को एक्सप्रेस करने के लिए डायरी लिखी जाती है। जो भी दिन में हुआ या जो भी आप अपनी फीलिंग्स को नोट डाउन करना चाहते हैं उसको डायरी राइटिंग बोलते हैं। Now there are some guidelines for writing a diary. A good diary contains many features like it should contain day, date and time of writing the diary. Next, डायरी राइटिंग में कोई फॉर्मल हेडिंग नहीं होती, वैसे ये ऑप्शनल है, अगर आपको लिखनी हो तो लिख भी सकते हैं। नेक्स्ट, डायरी राइटिंग का स्टाइल एंड टोन इनफॉर्मल एंड पर्सनल होता है। अपनी पर्सनल फीलिंग्स को फ्रीली एक्सप्रेस कर सकते हैं डायरी राइटिंग में। नेक्स्ट, डायरी एंट्री राइटर का पर्सनल डॉक्यूमेंट होता है, तो कोई सिग्नेचर करना ज़रूरी नहीं होता, इट इज़ टोटली ऑप्शनल। नेक्स्ट, अपना स्टाइल खुद इवॉल्व कर सकते हैं एज इट डिपेंड्स ऑन योर टॉपिक। डायरी एंट्री टोटली पर्सनल होती है, सो राइट इट इन फर्स्ट पर्सन। नेक्स्ट, रेफर टू पर्सनल मेमोरीज एंड ऑल्सो राइट द डिटेल्स फॉर द सेम। नेक्स्ट, यूज फ्रेंडली लैंग्वेज। Next, you can refer to parents, friends, etc. as how you would address them in person because it is completely about your personal life. Next, stress on feelings, emotions, reactions rather than on the event itself. Now look at the format of writing a diary entry. First of all comes the day and date, that is Tuesday, comma, then date and that is 17th November 2020. Write the full date. Next, then comes the time, for example 8 p.m. You can write the time whenever you are writing a diary. Then comes the salutation, that is Dear Diary. Then comes the main content. The content should be in 100 to 150 words. Then comes the name of the writer who is writing the diary. Now look at the solved example of diary writing. The question is, you are Neha, today is your birthday and your father has gifted you a laptop. You are very happy to own it as you wanted to have for a long time. Before going to bed, you intend to share your joy with your diary. Write a diary entry in 100 to 150 words expressing your feelings. So basically we have to write a diary entry expressing our feelings कि कैसा फील हो रहा है after receiving a laptop. So let's begin. First of all comes the day, that is Tuesday. Then comes the date, that is 17th November 2020. Then comes the time, that is 10:30 p.m. Then comes Dear Diary. My joy knows no bounds today. It is my birthday and my father has given me a portable laptop as a gift. It is like a dream come true as I wanted to possess one for a long time. Now I would be able to browse the necessary information that I could not find in the library. I can't thank my father enough for the gift that he has given. He has never deprived us of anything in life. Now I can communicate with people through email and even chat with my friends. I can play games during my leisure time, although it is a small thing, it holds the entire world. I hope I am able to use this gift effectively. The internet today can make us global, so it has great relevance in today's world. Neha. So this was all about diary entry. I hope आपको समझ आ गया होगा. If you have any query regarding any topic, you can email me. My email ID is in the description box. Also add me on Instagram. My Insta ID is EnglishLearning1205. We'll discuss some other topic in my next video. So till then, stay tuned and please subscribe to my channel. Thank you.